Good day, everyone. So basically today I'm gonna showcase you how to connect GitHub pages to Freenom using our own pre-made domain of which we registered earlier. Now basically the reason for registering a domain name earlier is that we're gonna have to wait for the DNS settings to propagate properly from the GitHub servers itself, which usually takes 1 to 5 minutes. So basically in the DNS management section of the domain itself, we're gonna have to create two different records, which is A type and C name. Now, A type relocates the web hosting IP address of the server itself in order for the domain to connect to the web hosting IP address, which is GitHub pages. So basically, we're gonna head towards api.github.com/meta and look for pages. Now we're gonna look for a specific IP address of which we're gonna use in the A record type of the DNS management from ninjasnow.ml. Basically, we're gonna copy the IP address and then paste it in the host target itself, which is 185.199.109.153. Now paste. Now we're gonna add another record, which is CNAME, which usually stands for the subdomain itself. Basically, we're gonna name it www in order for the domain to fully qualify www.ninjasnow.ml. Now, in the target section, we're gonna add the domain name itself, which is ninjasnow.ml. Now, we're gonna save the changes. So, basically, now we're gonna create a new repository called ninjasnow, or you can name it whatever you want. Now, I'm gonna show you three different files, which is .node.jekyll, cname, and index.html. Basically, in .node.jekyll, without a data stored in the file itself, is that now .node.jekyll is what stops the rendering of the markdown itself in order to activate the HTML and the rendering from the repository, which is the GitHub pages. So basically, we're gonna add cname, which is where the domain name itself is residing to, like this, which is www.ninjasnow.ml. So basically, we're gonna add a new file called index.html with a value called title hello world and code ninjasnow. So basically, afterwards, we're gonna head towards settings and look for the GitHub pages section. Now, in the source of the GitHub page, which is where the files are located, we're gonna click main branch and then the folder called slash parenthesis root, and then we're gonna save it. Now, in the custom domain, this is the same as the CNAME itself, the CNAME file, which is where the domain name of the server is residing to. You can change it to ninjasnow.ml or www.ninjasnow.ml and then click save. So basically, we created a static website from scratch using GitHub pages and Freenom. So that's it. Thank you.